Okay, so next question. have we have the integral. How do you solve for integral sine 2x dx? All right. Okay. So in order to evaluate this given function, we'll need to implement integration by using substitution. Okay. So solving by substitution. Okay, so we will use the letter u to substitute whenever in the bracket, which is the 2x part. All right, so let's write that down. So let u is equal to 2x, and therefore du dx is just going to be equal to 2, and we just move dx to the right hand, and to the right hand side. That's going to give us du is equal to 2 times dx. Okay. Or we can play around with that. This is also going to be equal to, du over 2 is equal to 2x. Yep. So by letting u is equal to 2x, we have this 3 following equation. Okay. And our next step, we will replace the values of sine 2x and dx in the given integral. So we will have integral sine 2x dx is equal to sine, instead of writing 2x, we write u. And we also know that du is equal to, dx is equal to du over 2. So that's going to be times du over 2. And the dx is from this part. So du over 2 is equal to dx, and we have the u is from right here. Okay, so we sub that in, and then we solve for one more step. So this also going to be equal to 1 over 2 integral sine u du. Okay. So next step, we know that integral sine u du is equal to cosine u. So we can use this to simplify the equation, which will give us integral sine 2x dx is equal to 1 over 2 negative cosine u. Okay, and now we need to sub u is equal to 2x back into the equation. Back to the equation. So we will have sine 2x dx is equal to negative 1 over 2 negative cosine u plus c, where c is just the constant, and oops, there should be no negative. And we take the negative sign out, so that's going to be negative 1 over 2 cosine, that's 2x, and then plus c. Yep, so that's the end of this question, and we can write our conclusion. Therefore, integral sine 2x dx is equal to negative 1 over 2 cosine 2x plus c. Yep, so that's the end for this question. Oh, and just keep in mind, whenever you're solving for integral, never forget your constant, which is a c, okay, which is this part, okay. And let's just recap this question. So, so whenever we see a question or integral like this, and you say maybe a 3x or 4x, something like that, in the bracket, we always solve by substitution. So we let u is equal to the number, and by letting u is equal to whatever that is, we can always take the derivatives of that, and then we will replace the value of that in the given integral. Okay, and then after doing your calculation, just remember to sub u is equal to whatever that is back into the equation and add a c as the end. Yep, and write your conclusion. Yep, so that's all we have for this question. Let's leave a comment there. So solution is correct. Well done.